Now everyone, this is an interesting job. Got to carve these two for this ongoing treehouse project. This is kind of cool, isn't it? Workmen are just getting here, so we'll have a quick word with them, but got to carve an owl on this side, owl on that side, and that's going to be the entrance to the big treehouse, which is looking awesome. So yeah, looking forward to this one. Right, I'm currently stuck in the field though, so I'm going to have to get some help to get out and then we'll crack on. So we'll get you on the stand at some point soon and we'll crack on. See ya. Hello there, quick progress report. I know it's only a quick video, but sun's just about to come up. Let's have a quick look how we got on yesterday. So we have the, well actually I'll pan over, you can get both in shot. So we've got them both roughed out there. I've just got to do a badger on that right hand one in the bottom. We've got the owl sat in the log there, and the left hand one, little owl midway through, and one on the top. So yeah, just quick shout out though to Thompson's Timberworks, who brought me in for this treehouse job they're working on. They've still got a few weeks left to do, but let's have a quick walk up here. Look how awesome this is though. It's fantastic, isn't it? So there's going to be another building to go on top of that one, and then the little bridge going across there will be there. But yeah, that is, yeah, it's quite a spot. So yeah, no, he's nice lad there, Henry, and he does very nice work. So if you want a tree house in the UK, you might even do the US if you pay for his flights. But yeah, no, it does very nice work. So today I'm going to mainly on the small saw. We'll get some detail work done, and then lots of sanding to do, and then we'll get them painted up. So yeah, we'll see you at the end. See you. Right guys, job done. Let's have a little looky look. What do you think? I think they turned out alright. I think once Henry's finished all this treehouse, I think it's going to look awesome. But I've just kept it with kind of relatively natural colours, so not too in your face. But no, I'm happy with that. Do like doing owls. And to the side, a little badger owl on the top. Right. Thanks very much for watching. Next one, doing some eagles, so I'll have a review for that as well. So see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.